In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Elevenlabs sound better. Elevenlabs Realistic Voice. Open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Elevenlabs and look for the official site in the results. Click through to the Elevenlabs homepage, and once you're in, navigate to the text-to-speech section of the app. This is where we'll fine-tune the settings that make your voice output sound natural and realistic. Inside text-to-speech, locate the speed control. We'll use this to nudge pacing later, but for now, simply open it so you know where it is. A natural pace is key for realism, and you'll adjust it after you hear your first sample. Next, find the stability slider and set it in the 40 to 50% range. Stability controls how consistent the voice is from line to line. Too high can make it stiff and robotic. Too low can make it wobbly and unpredictable. That mid-range sweet spot usually gives you a confident delivery with some personality. Now do the same with similarity and style exaggeration. Keep both around the mid-range as well. Similarity influences how closely the generated audio matches the core voice profile, and style exaggeration adds expressive flair. Moderate settings here help you avoid extremes. You get a voice that's expressive without sounding overacted, and faithful to the voice identity without being locked in. Make sure speaker boost is toggled on. This enhances clarity and presence so the voice sits forward in the mix. It's especially helpful if you're not planning to do additional audio processing later. If you notice any harshness, you can always dial it back after testing. Let's test your setup by writing a short prompt. Aim for 2 to 3 sentences that reflect the tone you want. Friendly, clear, and paced for real conversation. Add commas and periods where you'd naturally pause. Spell out numbers that might be misread, and include pronunciation hints in parentheses if a word is tricky. Good text input doubles as good direction for the voice model. When your prompt is ready, click Generate Speech. Listen closely on headphones if you can. If the delivery feels rushed, return to the speed control and slow it slightly. If it drags, nudge it up. If the voice sounds too rigid, lower stability a bit. If it's wandering, bring it back toward 50% instead. Tiny adjustments go a long way. Regenerate after each tweak and compare. With these settings and a clean prompt, you'll get a polished, realistic Elevenlabs voice that's ready for your project.